we can see the sugar glider.
Oh, nakalabas yung karakal. Joke.
Cheetah ako.
Oh, this is a Gordon's Wildcat. Awesome. Wildcat din. They also want to leave at night.
I see it there. Look at there.
Kailan pa? Yes.
That one is a
Wildcat. Lance, there's a mongoose here. Remember that mongoose playing dead?
Hindi, ano yun?
Ah, hindi pala.
Mongoose yung fighting the snake.
Ah, fighting the snake, yeah. But where is he? Can't see him. Ah, okay. Yes. You want me to stay? Next one? Okay, our next is the small spotted genet.
Gannet. Yeah, it's a gannet.
You want to go down?
Small spotted gannet. Very good. Kaya niya pa niya lumabas.
Coming back.
Dali. Ayun. It's coming back. Ayun.
He's hiding. This one? Arabian red fox.
What is in there? No, this one looks like a coyote. It's a fox? What's that?
Arabian red
A
fox.
red fox. Oh my gosh, I want to see a fox. Ayun.
Reflection ni Lucas yun.
Boy, I want to see a fox. Look, looks like here.
Rappel's fox. Yeah, do you see the fox, Lance? The red fox? This one is the Rappel's fox. Okay, forward. Send.
Dalawa.
Okay.
Saan dili?
Yes. Okay, the next is the Rappel's fox. But he's at the back. Yan.
Ayun, it's running. Oh, come back. Ayun.
Rappel's fox.
Ayun.
See that? At the back?
It's running. Ayun.
Baliw na rin. Oh. Babaliw na rin.
Siglalaro. Up, down.
You see that? You see that? You see the Rappel's fox?
Ayun. Come here. Right here, Apple's fox.
check here. Lance, the babies are here. Ruffles Fox babies are here pala, oh. Ayan, halika dito. Dito na side, mami. Yung mga cubs.
Here they come. Hi, Jay!
Ruffles Fox, Lance. You see them? No, they're playing. Like
they're
Lance
playing,
and then Lucas, huh?
See, they're your best friends.
Yeah.
They're playing.
Oh, there's another one.
Like me.
Like you. See?
And thank you, and
That's mommy. Oh, what? And that's daddy.
Where are you?
Daddy.
Mom and Daddy.
Mommy and daddy yan.
Oh,
They
the
are-
first one.
Actually, lang
They
they're
are.
babies na.
The one.
Cute. Kaya naman yung mga fox na pagod.
Ito, Blandford's Fox.
Pagka-face.
Blandford's Fox.
Blandfords.
Sige pa. This side na.
The master.
يلا تعالوا يمين بقى.
Libre nga siya eh. Honey Badger, Lance.
Badger, oh my gosh.
Where? Ah, this one. Sleeping.
Badger, it's sleeping.
You see that?
Wanna go down?
It's Honey Badger. Tulog. Yeah, this one, no? Porcupine is here, but sleeping.
The corner. Can you see it? You need to stand up.
Apa. Hedgehogs. Here, long-eared hedgehog. Sleeping.
Sleeping also.
Tatak ng glass. Another hedgehog. Where? House mouse.
Ayan eh. Ayan. Ayan na, the tail.
Kaya pa-exhibit to, marami sa Marvel to eh. Ilang house mouse ang gusto mo, Lance? Are you feeling cold, Lucasy?
Sabi niya, mother loom.
They're all sleeping. Oh, this one is showing off, Lance.
See it?
Two of them.
There.
Spiny Mouse.
Ay, wala ka naman nakikita pala na. You need to... Ito ang Spiny Mouse. See it?
Puro hindi makita.
Ayun na. See the mouse? It's a white mouse. Oh, there are two white mouse. White mouse.
White Mouse.